How to use AXA Disability Insurance Netherlands properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. AXA Disability Insurance in the Netherlands is designed to protect your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Yet many people make mistakes that reduce coverage or risk claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is, they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some AXA policies cover only your own occupation, while others cover any occupation. Choosing the wrong option could leave you underprotected if your disability affects only your current role. Neglecting the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the time before benefits start. Longer waiting periods reduce premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods cost more but provide faster support. Aligning this with your savings and monthly expenses is critical. Underestimating the benefit amount is another trap. Your coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial commitments. Too low a benefit may save money initially, but could leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is another mistake. AXA offers riders such as residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these reduces flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. AXA requires full transparency during both application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, AXA Disability Insurance Netherlands can provide reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Select the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to secure your financial future.